Halloween! I'm Miss Nicole here at the Key West Tropical Forest and Botanical Garden in the courtyard for another virtual story time. Because Halloween is just in a few days, we're going to read about a spooky little baby ghost. It's called Hush, Baby Ghostling. Let's get started. Hush, baby ghostling. The haunting hour is past. The bats have ceased their swooping, and the dawn is coming fast. So what do we have here? It looks like we have a mommy ghost and a baby ghost. So nestle safe beside me in our happy haunted home, and dream a dream of darkness where the wild monsters roam. I don't think I want to dream of wild monsters, but I guess that's what baby ghosts dream about. Dear baby ghostling, you're tucked in nice and tight. I'll leave some darkness in the hall if you're scared of the light. It's late, my dear, the sun is near. Just one last lullaby. I'll wake you when the moon once more is shining in the sky. Sweet baby ghostling, what is that you hear? Songs and laughter in your room? It's just the wind, my dear. Close your eyes and drift to sleep, and dream of midnight skies, of hisses, howls, and screeching owls, of bats and banshee cries. I'd be a little scared if I was dreaming of this stuff. Looks like we have some monsters and some creepy crawlers. Different things like that are a little scary. Poor baby ghostling, Mr. Bones is gone. You think somebody stole him when you closed your eyes to yawn? This must be the baby ghost's little doll, Mr. Bones. Here he is, my darling, sleeping safe beneath your bed. Have no fear, just hold him near and rest your sleepy head. Yes, baby ghostling, I'll turn the darkness on, and I won't turn it off again till all your fears are gone. Now dream a little nightmare while the ghoulies dance and sway. Dream a dream of darkness where the wild monsters play. What, baby ghostling? You've had another scare? You've seen a boy with 10 pink toes, blue eyes, and golden hair? So look, the baby ghost is scared of humans. They're scared of little children. Of course I'll search your closet, every pocket, every sleeve, but please don't fear the childlings, dear. They're only make-believe. Are children make-believe? No. This book is silly. Hush, baby ghostling. I've nothing left to do but hug and kiss you once again and whisper, I love you. So that's a cute little fun Halloween book about a baby ghost. And for today's activity, we're going to do a scavenger hunt for Halloween. So you can find this scavenger hunt by printing it out on our Google Classroom. If you're not registered yet, you can go to our website at Keywest.garden/education, and you can register for free to get this printable. And then you can print it out and do it at home, or you can even come to the garden and try to do it here. So let's look at what we're going to find on our scavenger hunt. There's a pumpkin, a spider, a dead tree, a cat, a black bird. I know I see these birds sometimes flying above our heads. An orange flower, a scarecrow. We have lots of scarecrows at the garden right now, so come on by and check it out. A bat. Ooh, I think we'll see these at nighttime. And a skeleton. I know there's a skeleton here at the garden too. So you can print this out and do it at home, or bring it here and give it a try. And for our craft today, we're going to make a spooky, ghostly boo sign. Ooh. So this craft is really easy. All you'll need is some construction paper, some paint, some yarn, and scissors. So you can find the tutorial on how to make this on our Google Classroom, but I'll also give a quick description now. So what you're going to do is paint your hand with some paint. You can use any color, but we chose white because we want it to look like a ghost. So you're going to paint one hand or both, and you're going to press them. So we want it to be upside down, and you're going to leave a spot to put the letter B. So it looks like it says boo, with B and two hands make OO. And then for fun, we put little googly eyes on here to make it look like ghosts, just like our story. So again, you can find the scavenger hunt and the craft tutorial on our Google Classroom by registering for free. Well, I hope you all have a safe and happy Halloween. See you next time for Virtual Storytime.